Good evening, friends. Today our topic of discussion is Saudi bans use of loudspeakers in mosque. On Monday, May 24, 2021, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia issued a notice banning the use of outer loudspeakers in mosques. Abdul Latif Al Sheikh, Saudi Minister of Islamic Affairs, issued a circular to all mosques in Saudi Arabia to impose restrictions on the use of loudspeakers in mosques. It said that loudspeakers can only be used during Azan and Iqmat. Azan is the primary call to prayer, while Iqmat is secondary, that indicates the Imam has taken his place and the congregational prayer is about to begin. The notice states that the use of loudspeakers during prayer should be restricted to those inside the mosque and that the level of loudness should not exceed one-third of the level of the loudspeaker and warned against penalizing those who violate it. It said that Imam's voice in prayer is limited to those inside the mosque and that there is no legitimate reason to communicate with those outside the mosque or at home. The circular clarified that reading Quran is on external amplifiers is disrespectful to the Quran when it is recited loudly using external loudspeakers while no one is listening to and repeating its verses. The new ruling is based on Prophet Muhammad's PBUH hadith, in which he said, "Every one of you is calling his Lord quietly. One should not trouble the other and one should not raise the voice in recitation or in prayer over the voice of the other." Senior Islamic scholar like Sheikh Muhammad bin Saleh Al Uthaymin and Saleh Al Fawzan also supported the ruling with fatwas that loudspeakers should only be used for Azan and Iqmat. The primary objective of the ruling is to discourage ulema who speak non-stop loudly for hours, causing disturbance to neighbors. This is not the first time the Saudis have issued such directive on use of loudspeakers in mosques in Saudi Arabia. Initially, in 2009, the Ministry of Islamic Affairs had passed the ruling that loudspeakers could not be used during the 5-time prayers, but it was not fully implemented. In 2019, during the month of Ramadan, Saudi Arabian government had also asked mosques to reduce the use of loudspeakers. According to Islam, if an imam's Quran recitation is loud solely for the purpose that people outside the mosque hear it, it would come under the objectionable act of riya or showing off to others. Saudi Arabia for the past few months has been moving towards liberalization from hard line of Islam. Saudis had earlier lifted ban on women moving out alone and had also allowed women to drive their cars alone, which earlier was not permitted in Saudi Arabia. Thereafter, they issued directive that Saudis will not give any financial support to mosques and madrasas outside Saudi Arabia, as it has led to more and more people moving towards terrorism. Thereafter, Saudi Arabia even ordered that under Vision 2030, Ramayana and Mahabharata will be taught in their schools. Similarly, these have been included in school books in Saudi Arabia to make them aware and tolerant about other religions. They also made English compulsory in the schools so that Saudi children could also compete with others the world over, and they have broader perspective and they should have knowledge about other religions and be more tolerant. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.